Remember how it used to be? You remember so much. No, we did. Let's see if you remember this shit. 1982. Now what was I to do? All I wanna do is claim RTC, cause all of my homies from ICG. So we gon' do this thing for the LBC, cause we all one love. And yeah, this the dub on mine. 11 getting slicker, buying liquor from 19 liquor store, quick to dick a hoe. And get the big homie for a 64. He ain't gon' miss it though, cause I'm too slick for him to notice it was gone. But I fucked up and scraped his chrome. Now he tryna take my dome. Hanging out all in front of my home. Now I got to get some chrome on my own. Now it's really on, cause I'm a dome this nigga and get him for his shit. Put the switches on his switches. Now his bitches, my bitch, ain't that a trip? I want my crib, but I won't hesitate to dust another rip. See, that's the plan, I was brainwashed not to know. But nigga, fuck what you going through. It's too old, and by the time I'm 17, if I ain't in the pen, I'm on a mission with the homeboys, mashing again. Riding, cool banging, like Mac 10. Back on the streets again, and strapped in. I'm looking for them niggas with the wrong fingers up. Nigga, I don't give a fuck, nigga, I don't give a fuck. I'm straight bang, 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 bang. It's all bang, bang, straight bang. Shoot 'em up, bang, bang. It's all bang, bang, bang. I feel like giving it up. I mean real like living it up, you know. Bang to the boogie and boogie to the bang. The sound of Menina when she feel the need to sing. I got a gang of bitches who ride for me now. Not to mention the homeboys locked down in the P now. See now the road get shaky, but you can't break. Watch out for them hood rats, snakes. Cause E told a little story that left me kinda hurt. The little homie did too much dirt and got work. Now he's on the run and dying of thirst, staying at his girl's spot on 21st. And when he gets snitched on, that ain't the worst, cause he might not make it to the last verse. But meanwhile, back in the P now, me and my niggas is representing LBC style. Straight who banging and slanging cigarettes. I shank your baby brother just to get a rep. I'm straight bang. Shoot 'em up, bang bang. Straight bang, gang bang. Shoot 'em up, bang bang. Straight bang, gang bang. Shoot 'em up, bang bang. It's all part of the gang bang. Shoot 'em up, bang bang. It's all part of the gang. This is dog pound for life. This is dog pound for life. Yeah, right. What you join the gang for, you little buster? Now you wanna cross us out and disrespect us? Musta thought we was busters or something. I dropped 2 niggas, I don't need you niggas. That's the one thing I learned about the gangbang. If you gon' gangbang, you got to be able to bang by yourself, man. So whether you banging for Crip or Blood, you better bang for some young thug, cause you'll get banged on, not by bangers, but by Johnny Law, cause they love to hang us. I hear you. I ride with your dog if you can get me to the border. My baby mama flipped out and dipped out with my daughter. I oughta trip on that bitch, I oughta flip on that bitch. I can't trip cause she look like my daughter and shit. So I'ma load up my clip and go riding high. In every police car that I see riding by, I autograph their car with my brand new lid. Drinking silver satin, hold my dog young half head. Throwing up DPG for LIFE, cause that's all I see. With love for the F. Shoot 'em up, bang bang. Shoot 'em up, bang bang. Shoot 'em up, bang bang. It's all